Welcome to our channel. If you need to replace a lost Social Security card and protect your identity, follow these step-by-step instructions to secure your new card safely. Step 1. Before ordering a replacement, check if you actually need the physical card. Many situations that once required the card now accept alternative documentation, or you can simply provide your Social Security number. Step 2. Create or log into your My Social Security account at ssa.gov. If you're a U.S. citizen age 18 or older with a driver's license or state ID, you can request a replacement card online. Step 3. If you can't use the online service, visit your local Social Security office or download Form SS5, application for a Social Security card, from the SSA website. Step 4. Gather required documents proving your identity. You need at least one document such as a U.S. driver's license, state-issued ID card, or U.S. passport. Only original documents or certified copies are accepted. Step 5. Complete Form S. S. 5. Accurately with your current information. Make sure your name matches the name on your identity documents. Step 6. Submit your application online, by mail, or in person at a Social Security office. There is no fee for a replacement Social Security card. Step 7. Take steps to protect your identity now that your card was lost. Monitor your credit reports for suspicious activity. Consider placing a fraud alert or credit freeze, and file an identity theft report with identitytheft.gov if you suspect misuse. Step 8. Wait for your replacement card to arrive by mail within 10 to 14 business days. Store it in a secure location at home. Don't carry it in your wallet. The card itself is just paper. Your number is what matters. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.